Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. X to the power of 5, we put about x multiplied by x to the power of 4. This one we can change by s squared to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have s squared in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and we have like this. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u squared, we have 2u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change by u. S squared we change by u squared minus 1. S ds we change by u du. U and u we have u squared. Now we need to expand this one. So u squared multiplied by this one, and this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 7 over 7. Because I will put number 6 go in here. 6 plus 1, we have number 7 in on the power, and the denominator we have number 7 in here. Similar for the second one and the last one. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.